In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Ticket in Zoho Desk 2025 guide. We'll walk through the complete flow from opening Zoho Desk to submitting a well-documented ticket that your team can act on right away. If you're following along, make sure you're signed into the right portal and have access to the Tickets module. Start by opening Zoho Desk in your browser and navigating to the Tickets area. If you manage multiple brands or departments, confirm you're in the correct one using the department or brand selector. This helps ensure the ticket routes to the right team and applies the correct SLAs. Now click the plus icon or the Add Ticket button to open a new ticket form. If you don't see the button, switch to the Tickets module or check your permissions with an admin. The new ticket form is where you'll capture the essentials your agents need to begin troubleshooting. Enter the core ticket information. Choose or create the contacts so replies go to the right person and verify the email for accurate notifications. Add a clear, concise subject that summarizes the issue, then write a thorough description. A helpful description includes what happened, steps to reproduce, what you expected to happen, and any error messages. Set the department if it isn't already selected, pick the right channel if you're logging on behalf of a customer, and choose a status such as open or new. Assign a priority based on impact and urgency, and if your process supports it, assign the ticket to yourself or the appropriate agent or team. The more precise your inputs are here, the faster the resolution tends to be. Scroll to the additional information section to enrich the ticket. Add tags to make reporting and filtering easier. If you track products or categories, select them so trends are visible in analytics. Fill in any custom fields your organization requires, such as environment, plan, or region. Set a due date or SLA target if available, and add CCs for stakeholders who need updates. This is also a great place to attach screenshots, logs, or short videos. Keep attachments relevant and avoid including sensitive credentials. Reference them securely if needed rather than pasting them into the ticket body. When everything looks good, click Submit. You'll see the ticket created with a unique ID and the details you just entered. At this point, automations or assignments may trigger, and your customer will receive an acknowledgement if notifications are enabled. That's it. You've created a complete actionable ticket in Zoho Desk.